Did you know you can blow dry your hair and improve hair health at the same time? With years of product development and customer feedback improvements, the Salon Dry Pro is the perfect everyday hair dryer. Integrated infrared technology heats your hair from the inside out, locking in natural moisture for a smooth, shiny finish and faster styling. Negative Ionic technology reduces frizz and static for salon-quality styles that hold. 3 added attachments, a diffuser, a concentrator, and a comb for use on all hair types. 3 temperature, 2 speed settings, and a cool shot button to help your hair hold its style. Lightweight, comfortable design with a powerful salon-quality motor. Removable filter for easy cleaning to keep Dry Pro running smoothly. Are you ready to upgrade your styling experience with the SRI Salon Dry Pro?
Let's take a look at our collection of blow dryer brushes, the single shot round blow dryer brush and the double shot oval blow dryer brush. They're both a brush and a blow dryer in one, and they make it super easy to get a smooth, shiny blowout at home. So which shot is for you? The single shot has a 2¼ inch round barrel. It's perfect for shorter hairstyles and bangs, or for creating more defined waves and curls. The double shot has a larger oval barrel, similar in size to our double pint round brush. It's great for longer or thicker hair types, adding tons of volume. Both the single and double shot are lightweight and ergonomic, and use Ionic technology to reduce frizz and add tons of shine while styling. The strategically placed vents provide maximum airflow for a faster blowout. Here's how to use them. After shampooing, thoroughly towel dry hair and brush out using a detangling brush. Apply the heat protectant of your choice. For a smooth and sleek blowout, place the single or double shot under each section and work slowly from roots to ends until the section is dry and smooth. And there you have it. For shorter hair or defined waves and curls, use the single shot. And for longer or thicker hair or additional volume, make it a double shot. Cheers!
Hello shoppers! I have one product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a hair dryer from Inner Joy, and it looks like this. I love the style, combination of matte gray with pink, and it's also upgraded version. It's 1900 watt powerful motor, and it's also designed with the foldable handle. Let me demonstrate it for you, which is wonderful. It won't take much space, and you can always take it with you to go. The fan features 2 heat levels, and also it's designed with the cool shot button. The hair dryer comes with the infuser and 2 nozzles. This hair dryer is suitable for any type of hair, long hair, short hair, thin, medium or thick, and it also comes in a nice box and could be a very nice gift for your loved ones.